You know what time it is? Sunrise time. Good morning.
Good morning. Make sure you get Nikki on there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, he does it all the time. Since I've been here, I've been here a week now.
Even with the water that cold? Have you met the shark yet?
The wood tree is like falling.
Oh, he falls in.
We were just talking about seeing dolphins. Hopefully we'll see a dolphin or two. Hoping.
Hopefully. I'm looking.
Yeah, keep an eye out. The dolphins, they normally follow the fish boats whenever they come in and out because they normally feed them.
It's the fish boat they come in about now.
Yeah.
Huge, oh, holy cow. Wow. Did it normally look that big like that? Wow.
Okay, the dolphin's very far away.
Where?
It's, I can see it.
There it is. Oh my god, it is! Wait, is it?
Yeah, no, because it popped
Oh, yeah. It's still up there. Yeah, that's what I thought too. Isn't it?
We see a little dolphin all the way over there. We think he's stuck. We want to see a dolphin up close. I feel like the dolphin's getting closer.
I feel like he's coming this way.
Dad, slow down a little more. He might be coming.
Hey, seriously though. Doesn't it look like he's coming?
I think he's definitely coming towards us.
Yes!
Oh, he's going the other way now.
I'm pulling it.
Everyone enjoyed the sunrise?
Oh yeah, that was nice.
Super nice.
Oh, yeah.
I don't think I've ever watched the sunrise, but not like that.
Beauty.
It was amazing.
It was.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Okay, so we just decided that we're gonna go take the boat out to go to the beach club to watch the sunset. And last time we were there, they were actually playing bingo. So we're really hoping that they're doing bingo again tonight. But we're about to leave, so. Let's go to the Hernando Beach Club!
Yes, we are. Yes.
We're ready to go Beach Club! We're gonna make them play bingo tonight.
Yes,
we are gonna make them.
We're night for us.
We're gonna walk in and be like, oh,
They can't disappoint us. We're gonna go in there like bingo.
if we got money to put down, they're gonna be like, well, might as well.
Dollar bills.
So we just parked the boat and now we're walking Beach Club.
We know you have to live here after today.
I want Hope to, and Brent to still claim me after this.
That dolphin is going after something.
Oh, no.
And
Yeah,
then
he's trying to get dinner. It's something big, something.
The dolphins figured out that if they swam a circle around the fish in shallow water, it would create like a cloud of mud around the fish, and the fish wouldn't swim through it.
Yeah.
So it was like it corralled them into a circle.
Really?
Well, then the dolphins would swim through the circle.
Get
and
what they wanted?
All the fish, yeah.